Welcome back. Exercise 3.3. Use graph of y equals 3x minus 1. You are given graph of y equals 3x minus 1. For each ordered pair, decide, is the ordered pair a solution to the equation? Is the point on the line? Let's look at the point A. The point A is 0, negative 1. Question is it on the line? X is 0, y is negative 1. X is 0, y is negative 1. It is on the line. What about the point B, 2, 5? X coordinate is 2, y coordinate is 5. It is on the line. Now let's check whether these points solve the equation y equals 3x minus 1. What do? Substitute x equals 0, y equals negative 1 and see whether you get an equality. Y is negative 1. You want to see whether it is equal to 3 times 0 minus 1. Left hand side negative 1. Question is it equal? 3 times 0 is a 0 minus 1. 0 minus 1 is 0. Yes, it is equal. Okay. I better write down the step so you don't get confused. So negative 1 is indeed equals negative 1. So A is a solution. Correct? In the same way, you want to notice A is on the line, it is a solution. Now we want to check whether B is a solution. Equation is y equals 3x minus 1. What do? You place 5 for y. Question is it equals 3 times 2 minus 1. 5 is it equals 3 times 2 is 6 minus 1. 5 is indeed equals 5. So B is a solution. So notice you are on the line, you are a solution. That's how it goes. Okay, let's try one more. Exercise 3.4. Okay, it's the same line. Question is whether these points are on the line and any of the points solve your equation. Okay, so first is A. A is the point 3, negative 1. Question is it on this line? X equals 3, y equals negative 1. You go right, that's 3, and then go down, negative 1. It is not on the line. What about the second point? B equals negative 1, negative 4. Is it on the line? X is negative 1, y is negative 4. So your x is negative 1, y is negative 4. Is on the line. Alright. So now you want to check whether A is a solution, whether B is a solution of the equation y equals 3x minus 1. Substitute y coordinate for y. Question is it equals 3 times x coordinate minus 1. Left hand side is negative 1. Question is equal to 3 times 3 is 9 minus 1. Is negative 1 equals 8? No. So A is not a solution. So notice if it is not on the line, it is not a solution. Let's check for B. Y equals 3x minus 1. I'm going to take x equals negative 1, y equals negative 4 in this equation and check whether the two sides are equal. Is negative 4 equal 3 times negative 1 is negative 3, then minus 1. Is negative 4 equals negative 4? Yes. So, B is a solution. So, notice you are not on the line, you are not a solution. You are on the line, you are a solution. Okay? Now, we want to learn to graph lines. So far we used the lines they gave us. Now, how about us plotting points and graphing them? So, let's plot the line y equals 2x plus 1. Okay? So, this is example 3.3. You want to graph y equals 2x plus 1. So, what do? We plot a small table, okay? X coordinate, Y coordinate, and you want to see how things go, okay? So, let's take X and let's find its corresponding Y. Now, this is a line. You can choose points. I will choose, if a negative number, I'll take X to be 0, I'll take a positive number. So these are just choices. Okay? For a line, 2 points are sufficient, but choose a third number for good measure. Okay? So choose any 3 different X values and see what happens here. Y is 2 times X plus 1. So it is 2 times negative 1 plus 1. So that is 2 times negative 1 is negative 2 plus 1, that is negative 1. So, what is the point here? Point here is x coordinate negative 1, y coordinate negative 1. Alright. Similar story here. Y coordinate is 2 times x coordinate plus 1. So when x coordinate is 0, 2 times 0 plus 1. 2 times 0 is 0 plus 1, that's 1. So the point here is x coordinate is 0 and y coordinate is 1. Lastly, the third point, y is 2x plus 1. So 2 times 1 plus 1. 2 times 1 is 2 plus 1. That is a 3. So we found y value to be 3. The point is therefore x value is 1, x coordinate is 1, y coordinate is 3. So now all we need to do is plot these 3 points. You remember, you go first point, negative 1, negative 1. So if you recall, you have to go x value negative 1 and then y value negative 1. So x negative 1 takes me left of 0, y negative 1 takes me down. So that's my point. Next, point 0, 1. X value is 0, so I stay there. No left-right motion, I stay there. And y value, y coordinate is positive 1, so that's your point 0, 1. Third point, 1, 3. Start from here. X coordinate is 1, so that you take right 1 and then go up 3 units. So these are the 3 points, 1, 2, 3. You take a line, take a straight edge ruler and join the 3 points. Okay, my points are not evenly drawn. You see, this one is wider than this is taller. That's why I'm not getting it precisely right, but I hope you have the feel for it. Okay, maybe I should have kept it here. There you go. If your points are evenly spaced, then you will not have the difficulty I'm facing right now. Okay, so that has to be equal to this, then you get the correct line drawing. So that's your line. Remember, this is a line. Therefore, the two arrows. So that's your line y equals 2x plus 1. We'll continue in our next video.